To register for Zelle on Chase Bank, start by gathering the necessary information, including your Chase Bank account details and a mobile phone number. First, open the Chase mobile app on your device. If you do not have it, download it from the App Store. Log into your Chase account using your username and password. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon and select Pay and Transfer. Then choose Send Money with Zelle. If you are a first-time user, you will be required to accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Enter your email address or mobile phone number to proceed with the registration process. Chase will send a verification code to your email or phone. Enter the code to verify your identity. Create a new Zelle profile by adding your name and choosing which Chase account to use for Zelle transactions. Review and confirm your Zelle profile information to complete the registration process. After successful registration, you can start using Zelle to send and receive money with friends and family who have a U.S. bank account, using just their email address or mobile phone number. To ensure secure transactions, always verify the recipient's information before sending money and keep your Chase account and Zelle profile up to date. By following these steps, you can easily register for Zelle on Chase Bank and start enjoying the convenience of fast and secure money transfers.